We have arrived in Italy. We came across the Alps from France, and when we say came across, we actually went through the Alps. We went through one really long tunnel.
Yeah, the Freyas tunnel. It's about 8 miles long.
But be aware, because there is a €63 charge before you get in there, which we didn't really realise.
Yeah, that was a shocker.
However, it was worth it because, I mean, we've got Blodwen and she's a big girl, and to come up and down those mountain roads might have been a little bit difficult for her and for our anxiety levels too.
Yeah, so we had to take the motorway. So we've arrived in a small village called Pisa.
Yeah, so we're still quite high up really. We're going to spend a few days here just to kind of chill out a little bit and to kind of plan our route through Italy. So last night we thought we were part of some kind of horror movie extras.
Yeah.
So about 1 o'clock, 1 a.m.
Yeah,
in the
1
morning.
a.m.
Horrific, really loud, screechy, screaming kind of sound. We had a Google and we found out that in Italy it's quite common for wild boar to be in the woods and the forests and that, and apparently they go throughout Italy. So that's what we're putting it down to. That's what we think it was last night. We didn't go outside.
No, didn't go out and check.
No.
No, we had a Google.
And locked the doors.
Yeah.
So we are just about to leave this lovely little campsite and we're going to be heading for the coast. We're just going through a tunnel, so it's taking us straight through the mountain. We're going uphill again. It feels like we're just going up and up and up and up all the time. We want to be by the coast, we want to see the beautiful views, we want to go swimming in the sea. Another steep hill we're going down this time, which is quite nice to be going down actually. The roads are really bad condition and very windy and quite hilly, so our speed is quite low. But yeah, it's a beautiful drive. Just come down to a little pebble beach. The sea looks really lovely, but the waves do look a little bit ferocious. Yeah, it's a really lovely little seaside town. We stayed along the road last night. It was a free park up. We woke up this morning right by the sea. Beautiful views of the village. Yeah, so we're just about to go in for a little dip.
What a great depth. Temperature's lovely, really cool me down here. But these pebbles on the beach, they really hurt your feet. You do need your swim shoes. It's nice when you get deep enough in that you can start swimming and then you're not walking on the pebbles. But then getting back out then is the trouble. You've got to swim in on the waves. You've got to try and swim in as far as you can so you can get in. Great though. I'm glad I went in. Like too close to a barrier, and then when we swung out in the morning, her bum kind of swings the other way and it scraped across the metal barrier. I stopped pretty quick, like, but we've got this little dent here and it's pulled off the metal trim, so I'm gonna have to whack it back in because it bent it one way and then it bent it another way as well, so I'm gonna have to do that. But yeah, first battle scar, first tattoo. Okay, we're off to see the Leaning Tower of Pisa. We have to walk through this big castle.
Pisa is located in the Tuscany region of Italy. One of Pisa's most well-known landmarks is, of course, the Leaning Tower. Construction began in 1173 and was completed in the mid-1300s. Before its builders completed the third story, the tower began to lean. This was due to the soil shifting which destabilised the foundations. It is situated in the Piazza dei Miracoli and serves as the bell tower for the cathedral next door. We've got to Pisa. Wow, what an absolutely beautiful place. We came around the corner and we could see the tower, and it truly is just absolutely amazing to see. It's massive. It really stands out against the blue sky that we've got today. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, I can't believe it, to be honest. It is really magnificent, isn't it?
Yeah, it
beautiful.
Really is.
Oh, and the stonework, lovely.
Yeah, really lovely. And Pisa itself is absolutely gorgeous as well, to be fair. We've been walking around, we've had a gelato.
Yeah, we've had a coffee, we've had an espresso and an ice cream.
Yeah, it was really lovely. We're off to have some pizza now.
We have a pizza in Pisa.
Gotta be done, gotta be done. Pisa has since developed into a city full of coloured Gothic-style buildings with a bustling shopping area with a host of different bars and restaurants.
Yo, look at that! Nice. Okay guys, that's it for this week's video. We've had a lovely time in Pisa. It's been amazing, hasn't it?
Yeah, it really has. What a sight the tower is, and all the buildings around it. Just the architecture in Pisa is just amazing. Absolutely lovely. Definitely visit if you're ever anywhere near.
Next stop, Spain. We're going to go through France and then down into Spain.
Yeah, so we're probably going to stop off in Nice maybe for the night, and then we're going to continue our journey then into Spain. So if you like this video, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, it's totally free.
Yeah.
And if you like it, obviously give us a like as well.
Yeah, and leave a comment. Say bye, Lenny. Bye.
Bye.
I was just at a football match in Japan, and at the end, they all started doing martial arts.
Why was that?
There was 2 minutes of ninjury time.